Alright. Hello, lovely people. Happy New Year, everyone. I hope 2021 is gone forever. I hope it's never coming back, please. I hope 2022 is better than 2021. That's all. I don't want to say anything else. I don't want to overdo it with the wishes because we saw how the last 3 years went. Let's put 2019, 2020, and 2021 in the trash and move on. Out! Since this is my first video for 2022, I will avoid at all costs saying the cursed sentence. Don't even think about it. Try to think of something else. Wrong. It's not a coincidence that my first video for 2022 is makeup. Me and makeup, we're friends. Yeah. Unlike me and cooking. So that's lowering the chances for something to not go according to the plan. Today, I'm recreating one of the weirdest looks I've probably recreated before. And I mean weird in a good way. This look has it all. We're not playing today. I mean, we kinda are.
We could have had it all.
Oh. It has blocked eyebrows. It has lipstick. Nah, piece of cheesecake so far. I wonder what can possibly happen next. There is also some eyeshadow. And talking about eyes, there are a few of them. Will this take me 8 hours? Yeah. Do I care? No. You excited? Because I definitely am. Now there are also some holes. I know that this can be triggering for some of you guys, but hold on. Don't click out just yet. I know how I can make this a little more comfortable for you. Try to imagine that that's not a hole. That's a piece of chocolate. Can you see it? Yeah, there we go. Now you can't unsee it. Now this look was inspired by Kind Madness on Instagram. I don't know how she doesn't have more followers. Seriously. What is wrong with us? She's super talented. I love giving shout out to smaller creators. I know how much that means to them. So guys, if you can, go support her. Because this video is inspired by her. I wouldn't be here doing this if it wasn't for her. Come on, eyebrow, we can do this. Hands in the air. Brow hairs in the air. Oh my god, my eyebrows are wild. They're wild. Brush them up. Remember the first time I tried blocking my eyebrows? Whew. I have no idea what I'm doing, but it makes me happy. You had one job. Here up. Hey guys, I'm looking to find my eyebrows. I can't find them anywhere. Have you seen them? Listen, there is so much easier way to recreate this look, okay? I can just use... Oh my god, I spit. The power of editing. See, it's so much easier this way. This edit probably took me like 3 hours, I'm not even kidding. Worth it! I love makeup just as much as I love editing, but editing takes me so much longer. It makes my feet hurt, because I'm sitting for way too many hours in front of the computer without getting up. Worth it! I got my eyes on you. You're everything that I see. I got my eyes on you. You're everything that I see. So we're gonna have one eye right here, you know, in the center. We're gonna have one more here. Ooh, this is coming together. We're only 7 hours away from the end result, so let's hope my butt will be able to survive this. Because this chair that I have is the most uncomfortable chair I could ever buy. I can't believe someone actually got paid to make this chair. Yeah, I'm starting to turn into a leopard. Oh, we're gonna have an eye on the chin. How exciting. Let's make it a big one. Sometimes I'm so glad I have so much forehead space. I can just draw stuff on it. Now this is when things get interesting. Ooh. I'm gonna start filling in the white of the eyes. I don't know how it's called. Mine is always red. See? It's not what you're thinking. That's because my eyes are very sensitive. What is wrong with your eyes? I'm supposed to be the sensitive one. You can't take this from me. They're very sensitive. I need to be careful what I'm telling them. I never had sensitive eyes. I think that I developed them the past 2 years or something. I don't know what happened to them. See, this gorgeous fresh, young, and very stubborn zit that I have on my face. Well, I guess I found a very subtle way to cover it up. No one is gonna know. No one is gonna know it's there. See? This video should be called How to Seamlessly Cover Up Blemishes. Hashtag no makeup makeup. Blemishes? What blemishes? I can't see them and I have so many eyes. If this doesn't make my eyesight better, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Imagine, oh my god, I just thought of something. Imagine if we actually had that many eyes. How would our glasses look like? How much would they cost? Hold on, how many eyes do I actually have? 16 along with the real ones. Okay, now I'm gonna start drawing the hose or the chocolates, whatever you like to imagine. I like imagining chocolates, to be honest with you. Eyes and chocolates. There's nothing difficult about the hose. I just need to create some depth. The eyes are a little more complicated because there is the white, then there is the iris, I think it's called. You know, the brown stuff, and then the black stuff inside the brown stuff. But the hose are simple. You know, it's just some brown eyeshadow, that's all. I'm thinking of them like the filler. You know, they're just filling in the empty spaces, which is kind of weird because they're holes. How can a hole fill in stuff? It's a hole, it's empty. Just like my tummy right now. I'm a little hungry, but I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm always hungry. These kind of videos, they're always so fun for me. I get to enjoy the fun side of makeup. I also really enjoy the fun side of cooking. I'm planning on hitting you with some really cool content this year. So I hope you're ready for that. Put on your helmet, fasten your seatbelts. You can also subscribe, that helps a lot. I made myself some coffee. I didn't have a clean spoon, so I'm mixing it with a fork. Listen, there is no need for judging. I once had to mix my coffee with a butter knife. What? It did the job. This is taking me way too long, you guys. This is taking me way too long. These kind of videos are an amazing time waster for me. Because I start drawing on my face and suddenly, poof, 11 hours gone. Never coming back. But it's so worth it because I get to try all of these amazing, unusual, super creative makeup looks. Anyways, I think it's time to move on to the eyes now, because we have a lot of work. This is my painting brushes. I'm using them today to paint my face. They're weird, because they have way too long handles. Like, what is this? Why? Why all that length? My hair is jealous. I mean, I can find a way. I'm very ticklish. So I'm gonna start outlining the eyes. Oh, my hand is so shaky. I'm messing it up. Coffee was not a good idea. I don't think I'll be able to do this. My hand doesn't listen to me. This is bad. This is very bad. Oh my god, no. You know that scary thing called eyeliner? Oh, eyeliner. Oh, eyeliner. 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 Oh, eyeliner. Yeah, imagine having to do eyeliner on 16 eyes instead of only 2. That's a concept for a horror movie. That's the kind of nightmares I have. Suddenly I feel very thankful for having 2 eyes only. Okay, you know what? I don't care about outlining the eyes. Let's just do something fun. Let's start making the eyes really look like eyes. They're not gonna be like super perfect and realistic, but they're gonna be good enough to make you feel a little dizzy. I'll start adding all the little details, and this is what will bring this look to life. It will make it look very creepy. But this is what we're going for. We're not going for a basic everyday makeup look. No, today we're doing something very different. Okay, I've done 14 eyes, but I forgot something. I forgot my own eyes. I'm supposed to put makeup on them too. I'm gonna add some eyeshadow in the crease, and I was thinking, guys, it was about a year ago when I posted that video where I was recreating a look which required an extra pair of eyes. Again? Whoa. Oh, I have a thing for the eyes, what can I say? But yeah, in that video, I added false lashes on the fake eyes. So I thought, you know what, let's do it again. There are no false lashes in the original look, but that's okay, I'm gonna add my little touch. I think that's actually a great idea. Talking about that video that I filmed about a year ago, remember this effect that I did? Check it out. Pretty cool. Why don't we try to do it again? I'm so sorry if this gives you headache. Don't say I didn't warn you. There is a chance that this makes you dizzy, so sit down, please. I don't want to be responsible for any injuries. I'm not advanced enough with editing so that I can do this looking straight forward, because it's kind of difficult to do that effect with the side eyes, you know, it's kind of difficult to make them move. I'll learn. I'm still looking at you. I'm just using a different pair of eyes. Alright guys, let's go ahead and add the false lashes. Oh my god, I'm so excited, I can't stop smiling. Look at all those eyes moving when I'm talking. Where did I abandon my lash glue? Oh, I found it. It was stuck. Okay, what is going on? This is gonna give so much more depth to this look. It's gonna make it a little more 3D, because I don't know if you guys can tell, but look how these lashes just... I did that sound with my mouth. I wanted to say, look how it's like popping out, like whoop. That's my brush over there. Just ignore it, okay? If someone asks me, hey, what have you been doing today? You don't want to know. Oh, that's a big eye. It needs a big lash. Look at that. Wow. That's super, super cool. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Yeah, I'm so ready to overpopulate my face with false lashes. I wonder if I use one of those Instagram filters that puts, you know, false lashes on your eyes and eyeliner and stuff. Will it add false lashes on all of my eyes? Will it even recognize my face? Because let me tell you, my face doesn't look like face anymore. It feels so weird. Yeah, look at those lashes. They will protect me from the sun. No way I'm getting sunburned. This look not only camouflages blemishes, but it also protects you from the sun with all of those lashes. This lash is getting in my real eye. It's a little uncomfortable. Oh no, we're gonna have a problem with this eye. It makes it difficult for me to blink. You know, every time I blink, it pokes my eye. It actually feels like it's stabbing it. Wow, that's getting out of control. I love it. Look at the amount of lashes I have on my face. Oh my god. I have my whole eyelash collection on my face right now. It feels heavy. I have a very hard time blinking, but I want you guys to tell me down in the comments. Was this look better before the false lashes or with the false lashes? Let me know down in the comments. I don't know how I feel about the falsies. Maybe it was better before them, because now they're covering up all the details that I spent so many hours drawing. Like, see, you can't see the little crease that I drew here. I don't think that the lashes were a good idea. I can't go back now, because if I rip off the lashes, the paint will also come off. So it is what it is. We have the falsies on. Well, it's windy for someone today. Oh my god, imagine going out in a really windy day with all of those false lashes on. Hold on, I have an idea. Oh, my shoulder hurts. I know I was the one who pressed that button, but this was very sudden. I got my eyes on you. Okay, I have a question. If I want to do the I see you sign, how would I do it with so many eyes? Oh my god, imagine crying with all of those eyes. I can take a shower in my tears. See, this is what I'm talking about. If I rip off the falsies, the paint is also coming off. See, that's my foundation and paint and everything. Yeah, but I think, oh my god, I'm ripping off my peach fuzz. Oh, why? Oh, why did I do that to my health? Alright, look at the amount of false lashes I had on my face. Creatures that have more than 2 eyes. Praying mantis, they have 5 eyes? Where? Those really creep me out. Spiders, 8 to 12 eyes. Jellyfish, 24 eyes. What? Chiton. How do we pronounce that? I've never heard of this creature before. It has up to 1,000 eyes. Have you ever heard of Chiton, whatever it's called? This creature has eyes of amazing rock crystal on the back of its shell. A single Chiton can have up to 1,000 tiny eyes on its shell. Alright, Chiton, you win this one. Probably these are the animals with the most eyes in the world, since no one can top that. Challenge accepted. 1,000 eyes? This will take me like 10 days to draw, but I'm here for the challenge, okay? I don't like being a loser. Chiton. Hold on, I need to know how to pronounce that. It's my official enemy. Chiton. Chiton. I was this close. I swear I was this close. 1,000 eyes. That's a lot. Chiton ophthalmologists be like, yeah. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, why don't you go ahead and check out that other video that I did about a year ago with the extra fake eyes. Or you can check out this one over here. I tried 1 ingredient recipes. You can find me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!